Hey, what is up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another one of my videos. So today I'm going to be doing this nice sunset look with some yellows and oranges. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, you know what to do. Just continue watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my Kylie Jenner Calm Before the Storm palette, and I'm going to be taking these yellow colors here. I think I'm just going to go with the matte one for right now. And I'm going to spray my brush first because I feel like the pigment comes out better that way. So a lot of people talk about this palette and how it's not like the best for pigment. I find that if you spray your brush before dipping it into the color, it comes off a lot. Like, look at, like, that's yellow, right? So I just recommend you spray your brush before going into the colors, even though that's an extra step that a lot of people don't want to do. But if you want that color and you have this palette, just do it and let me know what you think. So now that I have the color where I want it, I'm going to go into my Sephora Pro palette and I'm going to be taking this orange color right there. Put that in my crease. I just stabbed my eyeball. Oh. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to my Modern Renaissance by Anastasia palette, and I'm going to take the orange color at the very end there. And I'm just gonna do that right at the edge of my eye, kind of bring it up. And that's kind of just gonna blend all the colors together very nicely. Okay, then for a little pop of bling, I'm gonna go into my Sephora Pro palette and I'm just gonna take this gold yellowy color at the bottom left hand side just with my finger, and I'm just gonna so then that just like ties it all together really nicely. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back underneath my eyes and I'm gonna go back into my Modern Renaissance palette and take that orangey color that I showed you before. Okay, so you can finish your look here by just putting mascara on. I'm gonna go in and do some eyeliner, so I'll be right back. I haven't worn makeup this whole quarantine. This feels so weird. Okay, so you can end your look here by adding some lip gloss or lipstick. I'm going to continue on, and since it's a summery look and I want to look fresh like a daisy, I'm going to add some freckles on my face because who doesn't love freckles? So I'm just going to spray a little tiny brush with some setting spray. And then I'm going to take my Naked palette. This is the Heat palette, and I'm gonna go into He Devil. And then I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and kind of just brush them in, just so that they kind of fade and they're not so pigmented. They're honestly so faint you can't even like really see them. But like I like that so that they're not like right in your face. Just like they're there but not there, you know? So now I'm gonna take my Urban Decay Naked cream color lipstick and I'm just gonna put that on my lips. Alright, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? I put on a summer hat and I also curled my hair, even though you can't really tell because it is so hot in here that I'm sweating. I need to like go stand in front of an air conditioner. Anywho, I also threw on a cute long dress, summer dress. And yeah, what do you guys think? I also want to give a shout out to my #1 fan, Ella. This is for you. I hope you enjoyed the look. Let me know down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the like button. And until next time, goodbye, my lovelies.
Just because you're pretty does not mean you're pretty. Why are you so pretty? Why do you look so good? That's rude and inconsiderate. I'm telling Mom.
Love you. It's so hot.